In the majority of cases, the more organised and disciplined students are, usually means that they perform better at school than their peers. For this reason, it is absolutely essential to form great study habits at home, so that even when your child is not at school, they can still continue their learning and take responsibility for their own success as a student. Developing familiar routines at home for when and where they will study is an important factor in making this happen. Using a calendar or a designated study planner to help your child create their study schedule helps them to devote the times of days and evenings that they'll be able to prioritise for each subject. This has two major benefits. Firstly, it lets them organise their time throughout the week so that they can devote time to their studies, hobbies and other things that they enjoy doing. This way you can feel safe in the knowledge that they're prioritising their studies whilst also doing the things that make them happy. And secondly, by strategically planning when and for how long they will be studying each subject throughout the week, you can ensure that the subjects that they are studying either have equal coverage or that they're placing more time on subjects that they've chosen to prioritise. As we know in our own adult lives, being organised is the key to feeling in control and not feeling stressed for ourselves and everyone else around us.